Happy Republic Day everyone, and with that note, let's start the video.
कौन सा ब्रांड है जो जस्ट नॉर्मल लोगों को, हम लोगों को जब बुला के मीडिया से भी पहले फ़ोन हैंड ओवर करते हैं. सो थैंक यू iQOO, थैंक यू फॉर दिस.
Hello everyone, good morning from the quarantine couple. So today is Sunday morning और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं. No, I will not say that because today role reversal हुआ है. I am the camera girl and the cameraman will be the speaker. So, cameraman.
ये आज मेरी बारी है. टुडे मैं बकूंगा और ये फिल्म करेगा, मुझको फिल्म करेगा. आई एम सो हैप्पी.
So where are we going?
We are going to Westin now, राजारहाट. क्यों जा रहे हैं वेस्टिन में? आज iQOO का स्नीक पीक इवेंट है कोलकाता वाला. सो वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू iQOO स्नीक पीक इवेंट. आज वो लोग iQOO हमको, being a proud community member, I'll be able to see first hand and take the first hand experience of iQOO Neo 9 Pro. नया फ़ोन लॉन्च होने वाला है फेब में. सो या कम्युनिटी मेंबर के नाते हम वहाँ जाएंगे और वो देखेंगे कि iQOO Neo 9 Pro फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे. तो चलिए हमारे साथ.
Yeah, हम लोग जा रहे हैं iQOO event पे and see what we saw. ये बहुत पुराना कार है.
आई डोंट नो, आई हैव टू चेक क्या मॉडल का नंबर है, क्या नेम है. नंबर ही तो बहुत पुराना है. एंड दिस इज लाइक अ हेरिटेज कार. फ्लावर ऐसा कुछ नाम लिखा है.
And we started our journey from Behala to Rajarhat. And it is a long journey. We almost covered the whole Kolkata.
This is AJC Bose Road flyover, and then we headed towards Ma flyover.
Oh, this is ITC Royal Bengal.
Look at this building.
This building looks like an emperor's house.
And we crossed Sector 5 and reached Rajarhat.
दिस इज विश्व बांग्ला गेट. यहाँ पे हम लेंगे लेफ्ट. अभी हम जा रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स इको पार्क. वेस्टर्न इको पार्क के सामने ही है. यही रास्ता इको पार्क पर भी जा रहा है. हो गया.
So we have reached parking करके हम लोग जा रहे हैं इवेंट के तरफ. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Now.
कहाँ हैं हम?
Westin, Ninja.
How was the journey?
अच्छा है. पूरा कोलकाता घूम ली. I'm feeling good. And I'm feeling good.
ये है वेन्यू. यहाँ हो रहा है iQOO का इवेंट.
So we are now in Westin and this is our venue for iQOO Neo 9 Sneak Peek event.
हम पी रहे हैं कॉफ़ी और यहाँ हो रहा है रजिस्ट्रेशन.
And that's my husband, always near the coffee store. The caffeine minister. And he will always always find him near
Coffee is love.
caffeine minister. Eloy Banerjee. Sometimes when I can't find him,
Black.
yeah, black coffee. चलो एनर्जी गेन हो गया, अब अंदर चलो.
Any coffee brands out there, send samples. I will promote. Good morning from West End. So we got a hands-on of iQOO 12. This is the iQOO 12. First of all, look at the design of this phone.
पूरा मोटो रेसिंग कार के जैसा डिजाइन है.
Exactly. So that's why fascination meets innovation. BMW collaboration का.
हाँ.
और यहाँ पर subtle curves दिया गया है. This looks so beautiful.
Can you just
And
show the back of the phone again? Yeah, it's full racing car जैसा feeling आएगा.
एकदम. And the display smooth AF.
Yeah, display is really smooth. Let's
Let's
see.
take a photo.
Let's take my photo. You just aim some object, no?
Oh wow. This is 10x. This is 3x. This is 2x. This is ultra wide.
It's nice, seriously.
कलर rendition बाकी सब वगैरह डिफरेंट ही आ रहा है ना.
Camera is nice. That's the
Camera is
most
nice.
important thing for me.
iQOO का यही एक बड़ा बात है. Yes, it is looking so good. Color rendition and all is very good, very good. And look at
Oh, that's us. Hi. अभी 15 मिनट बाकी है इवेंट शुरू होने में and we are now outside.
we will be having the first look of iQOO Neo 9 Pro. We've just seen iQOO 12 Pro and what a beast of a phone that is. And it looks कैसा दिखता है वो फोन दिखने
वो
में?
पूरा मोटर रेसिंग कार जैसा दिखने में है. And the best thing about this event, we just entered the room and we can see our face. Previously we have attended this event, तो हम लोगों ने एक वीडियो बनाया था जो कंटिन्यूस रन हो रहा है वहाँ पे. And it feels good to see ourselves in big screen.
Yes. पूरा सेलिब्रिटी जैसा फील आ रहा है.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your
I am starting with the design and I love the leather one. And this time we have dual tone leather design. Previous generation it was around 8.85 mm like this, right? The second, which is 8.384 mm is the red one, right? It's just because of leather. These kind of things we have done in the design part, which is Neo 9 Pro. And this is the best Neo 9 Pro design ever that we have created compared to the last generations. And the bezel size I didn't mention, but it is ultra narrow bezels. It's the same bezel that we have used in iQOO. There are two colors which are available. I think most of you already know, but they don't know what the name. The one is the fiery red. We are calling the fiery red, and the second one is the Conqueror black. The reason why I put Conqueror because BGMI.
And now, let me quickly run through the specs of this device. Snapdragon's last gen flagship chip 8 Gen 2. So the phone will be fast, like really fast. iQOO Neo 9 Pro will support LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4 storage.
Talking about performance, this comes with Vivo's Q1 chip for enhanced gaming and viewing experience.
Now, the display. It has a very bright 144Hz LTPO OLED 1.5K panel, so it will be bright and efficient too.
Now, the star of the show, the main camera. a 50 megapixel Sony IMX 920 sensor which can capture detailed pictures.
And with our short time, it seriously took some crisp and detailed photos.
Yes,
One thing that I would like to ask now, I can understand it's too early to ask also. I would just like to ask about the bracket of the pricing. I'm not asking about the correct one or something, the bracket out of like 30 to 40, 20 to 30, beyond what, just if it is, or below this segment का अगर कुछ पता चल जाए, so that will be helpful. If it is possible to share as of now.
25 to 30, show of hands. Okay, smart. 20? 25 to 30. Okay. Just want to tell you that it will not be beyond the new sample segment. So, I'm talking about the starting price, right?
So this is the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, first time in hand. Oh wow, this has a very soft touch finish. Come closer, look at this. There is a chakmaki, and the display is also very pleasing. I can't believe the back is so beautiful. I can't believe red wala ka, that will be the leather finish, that will be far more beautiful. This has a very soft touch feel to it. Yes, we are the lucky ones to hold it in our hands at the first go. And back is very different from this one.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is not a review of iQOO Neo 9 Pro. This is a first impression of the design of the device.
Never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
This has something a soft touch finish to it. The camera ring is also beautiful.
Energy, what we are going to do now.
Now I will be playing some BGMI.
So all these years of BGMI practice will finally pay off.
No, headphone nahi laya हूँ.
Nice. You play BGMI but you forgot headphone.
Yes.
Then you should not play BGMI from now on.
What?
I go back to
So this is the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. We are the lucky ones who are able to see it and hold it in our hands before the launch. So it feels so proud to be a community member, and it's and the device is so, it's a soft touch feel. I'm saying it over and over and over. Like, this feels good in hand. 8 Gen 2 processor, so it will be fast. BGMI sessions will be like super smooth. 144 Hz display, 50 megapixel camera, and the camera is good. You can see the video. It's 4K 60 FPS with stabilization. If you go for ultra smooth, then it will be good. It will go to 1080p 60. Now standard mode mein it will go to 4K 60 FPS. So that's awesome. 4K 60 FPS means you can do the slow motion with stabilization. So that's good. And this also supports 8K, and it's a 50 megapixel camera. So it's that good, the camera and the performance and stability and longevity. I am using iQOO 9 AC for the last almost 2 years, and it didn't ditch me at all. So, as this is not a tech YouTube channel, but I, being a tech enthusiast. I love seeing new tech, and iQOO is one of the enthusiast brands. That's why I respect them. As of now, they are one of the most cool brands. Because कौन से ब्रांड है जो जस्ट नॉर्मल लोगों को, हम लोगों को जब बुला के मीडिया से भी पहले फ़ोन हैंड ओवर करते हैं. सो थैंक यू iQOO, थैंक यू फॉर दिस. एंड इट फील्स गुड इन हैंड फील भी गुड है. एंड आई कैन से ईजीली दिस फोन इज़ अ फ़ोन जो आप, वो कहते हैं ना, बैक कवर छोड़कर यूज़ करते हैं, नंगा यूज़ कर सकते हैं इस फ़ोन को. इट फील्स दैट गुड एंड पॉकेटेबल भी है. नाउ आई डोंट नो द प्राइस. आई विल लेट यू नो अबाउट द प्राइस व्हेन आई नो. कमेंट में पिन डाउन कर दूंगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दे दूंगा. बट ये फ्लैट साइड्स एंड दिस फील्स गुड.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any.
This device is launching on 22nd of February.
Once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
We are in between BGMI session. My husband, who has been playing for years and disturbing my sleep, was top 10 in the first match and top 15 in the second match. All these years of BGMI playing just went in shit. आज से खेलना बंद. आज से खेलना बंद. Because BGMI has been disturbing my sleep since the last 4 years. So, नहीं खेलने दूंगी आज से.
So the event completes here. Today's episode also completes here. I am Niloy,
I'm Nizati.
and we are the
Quarantine
couple. And do let us know in the comments how you feel about iQOO Neo 9 Pro and how do you feel about today's episode. This was a different kind of episode. We have covered iQOO sneak peek of Z7 last time. This time it's Neo 9 Pro. Let us know in the comments, do you like these kinds of videos? And we are very privileged that iQOO we are honored to be in this place, and thank you. Bye bye. And this is our new friend.
So,
Yes,
your name's?
Dipayan. We have met in the last iQOO Z7 का जो एपिसोड था, वहाँ पर भी हम ही मिले थे. Okay, bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself.